Alright guys, so today we got another unboxing video, and I already opened it because I thought there's gonna be another, pretty box inside, the usual, graphics and looking all pretty, but nope, this is the pretty box right here. So you got your 4 regular tires. You got your remote. And look at this guy. So the way this thing works is each wheel has a motor. So let's just take the clips off. Oh look, we're missing a clip. So this thing has 4 motors for each wheel. That's pretty crazy. I wonder how it's gonna work with the normal tires. So first we're gonna run with these tires, and then we're gonna put the normal tires, and I wanna see how it runs on the dirt. All right, so we're gonna plug in the battery, see what it does. Pretty bouncy. Put in the battery right here. All right, so here we go, first run. Yeah, this thing drifts so big fucking drift. I think this is full speed too. Alright, let's try the knob. It's so weird. Oh, so you can go drive forward with the joystick. Alright, so right now, I'm gonna just go sideways, and then you could drive forward and back with it too. So then you got these buttons right here. So if you click it, it does some crazy stuff. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I could drive and do that. Yeah, dude. Alright, so this is how you parallel park, You got a car front, you got a car back, you can't get out. Boom! Alright, so we took the tires off, and as you guys can tell, the hex is in there, kind of glued in. You can't, I don't know if you can take it out, but these tires, we want to put them on, but we don't have any hexes, so we can't run them. I guess we're gonna just slap these back on and, just keep running the truck. Let's try on dirt. I don't think it's gonna go far on dirt, but we'll try it. But it's pretty dry dirt, so it's not that bad.
Not even dusty, look.
Let's see how far it could go on the grass. Oh, dude, it's actually going. I thought I would get stuck. Alright, so the car just died. So, alright, that's it for today. I'm gonna order some hexes, and next time we'll probably run the other tires. But overall, the fun, I mean, it's a a fun car. Definitely something different. So see you guys next time.